Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send stars or gifts on Facebook Reels to support your favorite creators. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, look for the video or reel icon at the top of your screen and tap on it. Scroll down to find the reel video you want to send a stars gift to. When you find it, look for the star icon with the label "Show Your Support" and tap on it. Keep in mind, this option might not be available on all videos. A pop-up screen will appear with different gift options. Select the one you want, and then you can add a message or comment in the Add a Comment with your gift box. Once you're ready, tap on the Send for $1 button. If you haven't added a payment method yet, a new screen will pop up asking you to add a credit or debit card. Just follow the on-screen instructions to purchase stars using your preferred payment method. Once you have your stars, confirm your selection and tap Send Stars or Gift to show your support. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips.